So I did decide that this was probably not so presentable. I mean, it's sturdy, it would probably work, but I just thought, let's try it again and make it a bit better. So I'm printing out now at 207 degrees, and there's one or two other small changes. What I have noticed is the parts for this Icon A5 on plain print, sometimes there's 2 or 3 different files for each part. So you have the standard parts that you get when you download, then there's another folder for secondary parts, and then if you go on the web page itself, there's a place for tuned parts. So this one I now got from the tuned parts folder, and that's what I'm trying to print. I give you an example of that is here. I don't know why, but this one, this canopy, I think is it part 2 maybe, was very difficult for me to print several times. So there's actually one in there. So the original has nothing here, just a hole. And for me it just seemed never to print correctly. I don't know why, but I couldn't get it to print correctly. So there is a part in there in the alternative parts list, which is this one, which has this piece filled in, so it seems much easier to print, and it printed out perfectly. The only thing is now, of course, I'll have to get a knife or a hot knife and just cut that piece, take it out, but that's not a problem. So it printed out fine. So that's just one tip when you're looking at the parts. There are sometimes an alternative part or sometimes a tuned part, and one or the other may print out better for you. So we'll see how it works. This is the tuned part, and I'm printing it here, as you can see. Now I'm going to cut the video short because I'm not going to show you how long the entire thing takes to print. Does it tell me how long? No, it's at progress at 1%, 7 minutes. So that's going to take a couple of hours. Let's let it print, and I'll come back when I start assembling them.